Okay, come along with me. Let me share some protective measures that you need to use when using WhatsApp so that you can be able to protect your contact and also yourself when using WhatsApp. So you got to go to settings and enable these two switches so that you protect yourself and also your contact.
First of all, go to your WhatsApp, then by the top right, then click on settings. Head to security notification. Click here. Go to security and settings. Go to security notification, then you click. Then enable this show security notification on this device. So with this, you're good. Then the next thing, you add your email and passkey. This is the way of being safe anytime they want to hack your account. Make sure that you put your passkeys, email address, two-step verification. So the two-step verification, you can see it. You can see you put the two-step verification. So the two of them are on. Change pin and other things, they are on and stable. So you can change how your WhatsApp is being, you want your WhatsApp to be used to avoid you losing your WhatsApp or somebody monitoring you from WhatsApp or being a victim of these scammers. So it's very, very good for you to understand those things. You go to security, you enable this. When you enable this, show security notification on this device so that anytime that anybody want to hack your account, you get the notification. Then you go to two-step verification. So it's very, very important. If you're using WhatsApp, this is new update. If this thing is being enabled, these two things you can see turn is on. So if I click on the turn off, it will off, change pin, or you understand. So before they can be able to hack your account, you will get notification by email, or they will demand the two verification for them to have access. So if they don't know this, they can't be able to have access to your account, WhatsApp account. So in order for you to save your loans and save yourself from people using your privacy for people using you to scam other people. So it's very, very important. Everybody need to know this for security purpose.
If you find this useful, give me a follow and remember, bless.